Hello everyone. So in this video I will explain about Buddhist literature. So this is also one of the important topic for exams. Let's start with Buddhist literature. So we do divide Buddhist literature into two parts. First is Pali text, another is Sanskrit text. So let's start with Pali text. So in the Pali text we have three Buddhist literature. One is Sutta Pitaka, Vinay Pitaka, and Abhidhamma Pitaka. So in all the textbook, the name is Pitaka. So what does the mean of Pitaka? Pitaka literally means basket, and it was called so because the original texts were written on palm leaves and kept in basket. That's why this book name is Pitaka. So let's start with Sutta Pitaka. Buddha saying, like whatever Buddha say, that is collected in Sutta Pitaka, Vinay Pitaka, monastic code, and Abhidhamma Pitaka, religious discourse of Buddha. Abhidhamma Pitaka comprise of Digha Nikaya, Mazhim Nikaya, Sanyukta Nikaya, Angutar Nikaya, and Khudak Nikaya. So this is not important. Only the important these three book. And what does three books tell? First, Sutta Pitaka, Buddha saying, Vinay Pitaka, monastic code, Abhidhamma Pitaka, religious discourse. That's it. And these all books are Pali text. So these all three books are Pali text. This is important. And Milind Panho, a dialogue between Milind and Buddhist Sant Nagasena. So there is another book, Milind Panho. This book was written to just keep the record of dialogue between Milinda and Buddhist Sant Nagasena. One more book is Div, Deepa Vamsa and Mahavamsa, the great chronicle of Sri Lanka. So in these two books, mostly things mentioned about Sri Lanka, chronicles of Sri Lanka, Deep Vamsa and Mahavamsa. Deep Vamsa and Mahavamsa. So the question may be asked like the book name will be given and the question will be like this book belongs to uh, either Jain or Buddha or both or none of this. So question is simply Milind Panho, okay, belongs to Buddha, and it is this book is related to dialogue between Milinda and Nagasena. Very simple. Another two big book is Deep Vamsa and Mahavamsa. This book is related to great chronicle of Sri Lanka. And another Pali text, Vinay Pitaka. First, Sut Pitaka, Buddha saying, Vinay Pitaka, monastic code, Avidhamma Pitaka, religious discourse. Simple. Now let's see Sanskrit text. Buddha Charita, Saundaryananda, Sutra Lankar, Sariputra Prakran, Vajra Suchi, written by Aswaghosh, Maha Vibhasa Shastra, written by Vasumitra, Visuddh Magga At Kathayen, and Suman Galvasini, written by Buddha Ghosh, Madhya Mika Karika, and Prajna Parimita Karika, written by Nagarjun. So Sanskrit text, yeah, it like question may be asked, may or may not be asked. So it's not too important, but if we keep remember, then we can have one or two number. Like question may be asked like which books is Sanskrit text or Pali text, or this book is written by whom. So it's not more important, but if we keep remember, we can have some number in exam. Thank you.